What's going on, my peoples? It's a new day, and I'm back over here at the Minuteman Muffler Shop. We gonna go in here and talk to the dude. He's kind of busy right now, but we're gonna go in here and talk to the dude, see if he can put this Magnaflow Rumble Muffler on. And also, I'm gonna put those quad tips, baby. Yeah. See what it do. Got the Magnaflow muffler put on. I got them quad tips put on. And yeah, it rumbles and it grumbles, baby. You can still hear a little bit of that drone in the inside, but that's about right there where I want it to be. You know what I'm talking about? So it's doing good. I'm happy with it. It hurt my heart earlier. Taking my daughters for a ride, had to go to their school and pick up their, their little stuff that they had in the cube or whatever. My daughter, I hit the gas. We had that wah, right? My daughter, she was like, "Daddy, it sounds like you're going fast, but you ain't." It sounds good. It's a V6. It ain't gonna do what a V8 do. You know what I'm talking about? But it sounds pretty damn good if you ask me. Appreciate y'all watching. Tune in for the next episode. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I get at you. It's your boy.